Hi, my name is Chinmay and this is my first ever YouTube video. So this is going to be like a vlog. This is going to be a vlog, not like a vlog. And I'll be doing the things I do randomly in my day very comfortably. Just to give you a context, I am building a agency, a social media agency to be precise, and I work as a freelancer too. So I work with 4 to 5 clients in my agency right now, and for freelance I take videography shoots and editing as well. So this vlog will be like all-inclusive day-to-day activities I do. My plan with this YouTube thing is to document how am I growing with the agency and with my personal brand, personal stuff as well. So I've been taking a few courses here and there, and from yesterday I've started something that will help me build my personal brand as well and get better with whatever I'm doing in life in terms of social media and social media agency. So yeah, ये भी कर लेते हैं. So right now I'm trying to edit a video for a client. I am trying to find a song for that, and I'm getting a call. So here's a time lapse till I find the song and I edit the video. So yeah, we have got the song. So let's go ahead with the editing. I edit on Premiere Pro. That's a task for me. But I don't know why for short videos, like the showcase ones for clients, I think phone edits are much useful. But I just have to get my hands on the software as well, so I use Premiere Pro for everything I do. Rather than you looking at me, I'll show you my screen. Hi, we are back. Also, my idea behind YouTube is I have just started a course which is about making my personal brand, like creating my personal brand. I have been freelancing for now a year in video editing, videography, and social media management. So, as I told you earlier, I have started an agency for that, so that I do not have a load on myself and I can hire people under me to do the work. And also, I have a centralized name for everything. So I'm not just a freelancer, I am an agency owner or something like that. I did that. I started working on it. It was going pretty well. Like for starters, touchwood, it is going too great. So now just to get better with it, I thought why struggle here and there. So I have taken a course from a person who already runs an agency, and his name is Saksham Gaur. This guy is a master in what he does. Like he does not take the credit for, but the motivation and inspiration he gives others is just too great. So yeah, I'll be starting with the course. It is a like 3 6 weeks. He has uploaded around 3 to 5 weeks of content here. The total course is of 12 hours or something, 12 to 14 hours, and that is supposed to teach us about mindset, foundation, setting up the right skills, sales skills, how to take up appointments, how to book appointments, how to close people, how to close the appointments on a good note, and overall like grow your agency to a certain amount of number that what your goal is. So like I said, let's get going. So this is the first time I've actually taken out my phone and connected a mic just to vlog myself. I never did this before in my life. I tried to, but I failed several times. I used to do mini vlogs on Instagram, but that is like for fun. If I want to do something professional and make myself a brand, or make this professional content that will bring in business, I'll have to do this the right way. So yeah, this is a start for it. And the main reason for documenting this is a few days back I was watching something on YouTube. It had Alex Hormozy say that how great it would have been if Bill Gates and Amazon founders would have documented their life till the day they made big. It would have been such a great lesson for everyone who wants to grow till that certain level. So yeah, I have like something like that in my mind. I am going to make it someday. Why not document it all along the way, so that when I make it, I have something that I can refer to, where I can revisit every struggle I did, every breakdown I had, every collapse I had, every rock bottom point I went to, and how I had the motivation to jump back from that to the sky again. So yeah, enough talking. It is 12:32, and I'll have to sit here for around 2 hours. That is my goal, and complete the modules that are in the course of Sakshams. It is called the Expert Creator Blueprint. Yes, it's 3 p.m. right now, and I started at, I think so, 1:40 p.m. So today I completed 2 modules. Like, I went with the foundation module. Not 2 modules. I did 2 subtopics in the foundation module. I did the brand intent and target audience. Also, I completed 2 exercise. One for the targeted audience, like what audience to target and who am I creating for. And other thing is brand intent, what exactly my brand is, what my brand goals are, and what do I want to achieve from my brand. So yeah, it was good 2 hours of knowledge. I'll go work out. Let's see. I haven't been to the gym in 2 days. Was procrastinating, not feeling well right now. My stomach is aching. So let's see what happens. I'll still go to the gym. Let's see if I feel good. I'll have a heavy workout. If not, I just have some basic exercise and come back. We don't have any friend here to support us. It's very difficult to vlog in the gym. I should next time bring a tripod. हर्ष सेट मारतोय होल्ड करशील फक्त मी सेट मारेपर्यंत चालू केलं फक्त रेकॉर्ड कर स्वप्नीला सपोर्ट दे ना भाई अंकल उठेंगे आज सर मैं भी मार रहा हूँ ऑल्टरनेटली अरे आप 2 सेट मार लिया आपने जल्दी जल्दी कर लो हाँ जाओ जाओ ऐसे इट्स नो प्रॉब्लम 120 इधर इतना आवाज ऐसा लग रहा है कि कल पक्का कॉपीराइट आएगा हो गया आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस पार्ट एट 9 PM. मैं अभी जिम जाके आया हूँ. मैं दोपहर को जाने वाला था बट मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा था, तो मैंने ऐसा थोड़ा सोचा कि रात में चला जाता होगा, ठीक लगेगा. तो जैसे ही ठीक लगा तो मैं उठ के जिम भागा, और दोपहर को फिर थोड़ा और जो काम था वो कर दिया था क्लाइंट्स का. सो या दिस वॉज द एंड. और मैंने प्री रिकॉर्ड करके रखा है कि मैं एंड कैसे करने वाला था. सो आई विल बी अपेंडिंग द क्लिप्स हियर. In this YouTube series or Instagram series or content series, whatever I'll be posting, I'll also be covering how I started, how I got the freelance clients, how did I approach them, was it easy, was it not, what skills did I need, because I studied from an IT background. I graduated from an IT background, to be specific the BSc IT course. After that I did a support engineer job in a cybersecurity company, and after doing that for 11 months I was not very interested in pursuing that, because I had my mind working on somewhere else. I was very much interested in creating content and working in the content industry. I am not a expert in this field, but I know the platform in and out. I know what works on the platform. I know how to create content, what are the framings, what videography is, like basic videography that any business needs to make good content, good quality content. I make my videos with my phone. I know how to edit them, and I know how to edit till a certain extent which makes the content captivating enough for you guys to keep watching it, right? At least half of it. So I know how to make good content, I would say, and that is enough for small scale businesses. If you offer that to them, you can make a good pocket money for yourself. And if you have the bandwidth to work for 4 to 5 clients simultaneously, you can make a good salary for yourself without working a 9 to 5 job, working at your own pace and working at your own time. So yeah, I'll be covering that as well. Or do you need anything with how to start freelancing as a beginner? I can help you with that as well. Just leave me a comment or do a DM, and I can provide you whatever I know for free. Because once you get in this field, you'll have to constantly skill yourself up to make more and more money, to meet new and new people, to pitch more and more clients who potentially want best quality content. As a beginner, you won't be able to give that, but if you keep upskilling, I'm sure that I'll be able to get at that best level someday sooner. So yeah, that is it. If you need anything, just drop a comment or DM, and also let me know how did you like my first YouTube video, and I'll keep coming back with more, hopefully 2 at least a week, and I'll try to be consistent on Instagram as well. Peace out.